In this example, we will see how to use Countif formulas. Last time we have seen how to use count formulas, count A, count blank, just count formulas. But now we will use how to you how do you use Countif formulas. So here is the data here. First we will understand the data. The data is of some college students. They are defined by their gender, year in which they are studying, and the subject they are studying. So we will see, we have to find out how many male students are studying in this college or the class. So here you can use count if formula. Remember, count if means count to a certain criteria. So range, you have to define range first. So range here is the gender. Male student, you want to find out the gender. So I have already named that data. You know how to name the data. So gender, and just use male. Okay, type text always in inverted commas. So here uh, I have typed the male and just use tab, so you can find out the number of male student. Similarly, if you want to find out number of female students, so use countif again. Countif, sorry, count if range is gender and female. So number of female students are 4. So it is a single criteria counting with using countifs. If you want to count using multiple criteria, you can use count ifs. Countifs. Okay, countifs. Criteria is gender is first criteria is gender and it is male. The second criteria is year. So it is first. So 8 students. Similarly, you have to find out the female students in first year. So just copy this formula down by using Control D. Just replace this male with female, and you can find out the female students in first year. So these are two criteria count. You can also use another criteria. So male students from first year from commerce. So you can just copy this formula, copy it down. So we have already have two criteria here: gender male, year first, and now just add a third criteria, which is subject. Subject is commerce. Instead of typing down, you can also point out the formulas here. We will show here how to point down. So two students are in from first year from commerce. You can just copy this down to find out from science. So here male you can replace with females. This you can directly point this also. Okay, direct B7. It is a in B7 cell for commerce. So you need science here. You can directly point out D4 cell. So there are 0 students from science. So here in this example we have seen that how to use countif for single criteria counting, countifs for multiple criteria counting.